Long nose wire strippers join our innovative line of Armor Edge hand tools with forged steel construction and induction hardened cutting blades for increased durability. Designed with the electrician in mind, this multi-function tool combines the features of a wire stripper and long nose pliers into one. Envisioned to provide the user with the ultimate comfort and control, these strippers are available in both straight and curved ergonomic designs and offer a wide array of outstanding features by combining 6 tools in one. Grip, strip, crimp, cut, loop, form, and even cut bolts. Use the straight and curved serrated jaws for maximum gripping. Strip 10 to 18 wire gauge solid and 12 to 20 wire gauge stranded wire with the curved wire strippers, and 8 to 20 wire gauge solid and 10 to 22 wire gauge stranded wire with the straight wire strippers. Crimp insulated and non-insulated connectors. Use the long nose to easily form and loop wire. Cut mild steel, brass, copper, and aluminum wire. And lastly, cut and rethread 6 to 32 and 8 to 32 bolts. Stop carrying around extra tools and add the multifunctional Armor Edge long nose wire strippers to your toolbox today. Available now at your local distributor, retailer, and online.